So hello everyone, this is new HP K500F gaming keyboard which is semi-mechanical, and now you can see how is it lighting now. You can get very good color here, and when will you type you will feel actually very good. Your typing experience will improve, you will get very good result, and in case of gaming, I haven't tried gaming yet, but yeah, you will get very good result, I expect. So now you can see this is HP K500F gaming keyboard, and from this scroll lock button you can turn on the light of HP logo and turn off. And there are some keyboard shortcuts like using function page up and page down. You can increase or decrease the brightness light of backlight, and using combination of function and one, you can actually change the mode of lightning. Like now it is in it is blinking now, and you can say this is in disco mode. So yeah, that's all for now. Meet you soon. Bye bye.